If your team uses pnpm in developer machines or CI, today's first action is simple: check your pnpm version and move to the patched releases. The strongest item in today's briefing is CVE 2026-55698, a high-severity pnpm advisory with a CVSS score of 8.8. GitHub says project environment lockfile behavior can affect package manager resolution and execute lockfile selected pnpm bytes. The patched versions listed are 10.34.2 and 11.5.3. For teams using AI coding agents, this matters because agents often read repositories, trust lock files, and suggest or run package commands. The defensive lesson is not to panic about JavaScript tooling. It is to stop treating dependency metadata as automatically safe. Lockfile and package manager changes should get code review. CI jobs should run with narrow permissions. Developer agents should ask before running install, build, or update commands. If an agent can execute local tools, untrusted repository content should not silently become operational instruction. The second pnpm item is CVE 2026-55700, high severity with CVSS 7.1. GitHub describes a stage download issue where manifest name or version traversal can write outside the intended destination directory. The affected range is pnpm 11.3.0 before 11.5.3. This is a build system hardening story: update pnpm, isolate build directories, and avoid broad file system access in automation. Third, Rustdesk has CVE 2026-58056, listed as high severity with CVSS 7.6. The advisory describes a control message authorization scope problem in remote access sessions. Remote support tools deserve extra urgency because they may reach screens, files, and privileged workflows. Restrict who can start sessions, review logs, require strong authentication, and validate vendor fixes before assuming exposure is gone. Finally, the AI-specific note is Flowise CVE 2026-58057. It is lower severity, CVSS 5.0, but the topic is important. Custom MCP style environment variable validation relied on a denialist approach. In agent systems, environment variables can carry tokens, endpoints, and tool behavior. Prefer allow lists, minimal secrets, separate runtime accounts, and clear logs for every agent tool call. The retention point is this: these are not isolated bugs for separate teams. They all touch the same modern workflow. Code enters a repository, automation reads it, a package manager acts on it, an agent may recommend the next command, remote tools support the user, and AI platforms connect more services through MCP-style integrations. Each connection is useful, but each connection should be scoped, logged, and easy to revoke. Today's checklist: upgrade pnpm, especially on CI runners, review lockfile changes like code, sandbox AI coding agents, restrict remote access tools, and treat MCP configuration as production security surface. Also inventory where package managers run with write access outside the project directory, where remote access tools are allowed through firewalls, and where agent tools receive environment variables. No proof of concept steps are needed to act. Patch, reduce permissions, and make automation auditable.